food poisoning and foodborne illness are significant public health concerns by consuming contaminated food or beverages. Cause of food poisoning. First, bacteria. The most common cause of foodborne illness. Some well-known bacteria include Salmonella, often found in poultry, eggs, and
Norovirus, highly contagious and often associated with contaminated shellfish, salads, and ready-to-eat foods. Hepatitis A, transmitted through contaminated food or water, often linked to raw or undercooked shellfish.
Parasites. These organisms can contaminate food and water, including Giardia, often found in contaminated water, Toxoplasma, associated with undercooked meat, particularly pork and lamb.
Chemical contaminants, pesticides, heavy metals, and other chemicals can also contaminate food, leading to illness.
Risk factors. Improper cooking. Undercooking food can leave harmful bacteria and life. Food handling. Cross-contamination between raw and cooked foods can spread pathogens. Personal hygiene. Poor hand washing practices can lead to foodborne illness.
Indicate refrigeration. Not keeping food or proper temperature can allow bacteria to grow.
symptoms. Symptoms of food poisoning can vary depending on the cause, but common ones include
Common ones include nausea and vomiting, diarrhea, stomach cramps, fever, and fatigue. To minimize the risk of food poisoning, practice good hygiene, wash hands, utensils, and surfaces often. Deliberate contamination of food. FDA tool to develop a food defense program. Alert. Assure. Look. Employees. Reports. Threats. Assure. Make sure that products are from safe sources. Look. Monitor the security of products in the facility. Employees. Know who is in your facility. Reports. Keep information related to food defense accessible. Threat. Identify what you will do and who you will contact if there is a threat.
store food properly, refrigerate perishable items promptly, and avoid leaving food out for extended periods.
Be cautious with raw foods. Wash fruits and vegetables thoroughly and be cautious with raw seafood and meats. Understanding the causes and prevention methods for foodborne illness is essential for ensuring food safety and protecting public health.
Parang masarap yan ah.
Yeah.
Oo nga pre.
Pwede pa agad?
Sige lang pre.
Girl, parang asim.
Di yan. Kumagat ka na lang.
Pwede pa ba yan?
Pwede pa to.
Di na nga.
Oo din. Sige. Pwede pa naman eh. Oo. Sarap na ito eh.
Parang asim, pre.
Pre, ako to yan. Sarap naman pre.
Sige, para kayo.
A few moments later.
2 hours later. 3 hours later.
Pre, nangyari sa'yo? Ba't parang sumasakit yung ulo mo?
Kasi kung ano ang ulo ko, kumain ako ng burger kanina, di ko pants ba o hindi.
Pre, sakit na tiyan ko.
Pre, parang nasusuka ako.
Hindi, pre. Grabe, sakit na tiyan ko, pre.
Wait lang, pre. Suka lang ako.
Pre,
Pre, okay ka na, pre?
medyo nabawasan na, pre. Grabe, sakit na tiyan ko.
Nangyari sa'yo, pre?
Hindi ko alam, pre. Kumain kami ng burger, eh.
Papanis mo na kain mo.
Hindi ko rin sigurado, eh. Pero kanina parang napansin niyo siya, medyo maamoy panis na daw.
Aba, doon na galing yan, pre. Nananong naman.
Kailangan ng gabot, pre. Sige, pre. Tara.
Uy, pre.
Uy, pre, nandiyan ka pala.
Pre, kakasuha ko lang dito.
Bakit?
Parang nasusuka sa ba yan? Pagkain natin ng burger kanina doon.
Kasi kapag ka na din ulo ko dun eh.
Eh?
Pagkain ko ng burger, galing ang clinic, nakasalubong ko sila.
Bansa tayong nakain na natin.
Gusto mo samahan ka ng punta tayo?
Diba, pre?
Can we talk about us like we care about us? Can we talk about us like we care about us? You say let it breathe, but the pain of my heart can't let it be. We both can agree. Tell me what is the point of nothing burns like a cold day.